Morning, students. This is electricity and circuit, part 7, chapter 12. Today we will learn some activity. The identity of a material as a conductor or an insulator. You have to know the given material is conductor or insulator. Just like we have done an activity in earlier previous part by a safety pin. Same activity. Just remove the safety pin and make the distance between one pin and two pin, and there is a gap between pin 1 and pin 2. When we place a material which touches both the pins, if the material is conductor, bulb will start glowing, and if the material which touches both the pin but the material is insulator, bulb will not glow. So by putting one by one, you take 5-6 items, some insulator, some but you don't know which one is insulator, which one is conductor. You have to just put in between by touching them pin A and pin B. That we have done earlier by the safety pin. So let's start. Material require a cell, a small bulb, crocodile clips, just to hold. Here we will take not pin, we will take crocodile pin clip. आपके घर में जो मेटल का क्लिप आता है जिससे मम्मी कपड़ा कोना दबाती है, जब सूखने के लिए डालती है तो कपड़ा दबाती है ना, तो कभी कभी एक तो प्लास्टिक का आता है और समटाइम्स इट इज़ ऑफ मेटल. तो आपको वही वाला मेटल का 2 क्लिप लेना है, जिससे कि ना जो मटेरियल हम डालेंगे वो अच्छी तरह से उसमें पकड़ लेगा. टू होल्ड देम. क्रोकोडाइल क्लिप्स, पेपर क्लिप्स, metal spoon. These are the items: paper clips, metal spoon, iron nails, plastic ruler, wooden spatula. Spatula means वो लकड़ी का चम्मच होता है. rubber band, all pins जो भी आपके घर में है, hair band, आइसक्रीम स्टिक, पेंसिल. These things, these are the items. Material, you don't know which one is conductor, which one is insulator. You just take it. Create a simple closed circuit by connecting 2 wire like this, like the previous we have done with safety pin. This is bulb, this is electric cell, and this is, we have made a switch by the crocodile clip and 3 wires. Create a simple closed circuit by connecting 2 wires to the battery light bulb through crocodile clips as shown in the figure. Arrange the material at one place to test them whether they conduct electricity or not. Now place one item at a time. एक बार में एक ही रखना है, at a time in the circuit to identify if the given material is a conductor or a insulator. Insert the test items between the crocodile clips one by one. If the bulb still glows, the test item is conductor, and the bulb does not glow, the test item is insulator. Simple. Okay. This is what I have done by putting tick. There is a items. If conductor, tick here. If insulator, tick there. पेंसिल क्लिप, पेपर क्लिप. पेपर क्लिप का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो पेपर का बना हुआ है. दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ आयरन. कंडक्टर, यस, टिक. मेटल स्पून, कंडक्टर. वुडन स्पैचुला, वुड इज एन इंसुलेटर, सो इट इज प्लेस्ड इन इंसुलेटर. प्लास्टिक हैंडल्स, insulator. Iron nails, conductor. Safety pin is made up of iron, so it is conductor. Rubber gloves, insulator. Okay. Conductor complete the circuit, whereas insulator break the circuit. Okay. Okay. Hope you have understood all these things. Thank you so much.